Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 704. Okay, so here we are in Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every day. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. We have stocks and Bitcoin. We want to go to the Bitcoin section here. So Bitcoin going absolutely crazy. What we see here, Bitcoin current price is $41,193. This will be very volatile today and in the near future just because the amount of volume in Bitcoin right now. The number above that, $3,444. That's my current Bitcoin holding balance within Cash App. So we're up almost 8% on the day, 40% the past week, 125% the past month, and 423% the last year. So let's try and dissect what's actually happening right now. Bitcoin price goes up, people hear about that, and then everyone starts talking about it. People start buying in, or they start to do their transfers to the apps where they can buy in. Those transfers take like a week and then they're buying in. So it's just a rolling effect where everyone is buying. And on top of that, tons of institutional money is starting to go into Bitcoin because they see it as legitimate now. It's standing the test of time. It's been here for 10 years and it's actually becoming a global reserve currency, as to where these other currencies are kind of failing. The government run currencies just aren't strong because they can be manipulated by the governments. The governments can just print however much money they want and it's not working. But Bitcoin is a fully decentralized, non-government run, unstoppable force. And investors and people are seeing this as a safe and great place to put their money. You know, if you're a company with billions of dollars, you can't put it in gold and then just have stacks of gold bars laying all around your company. You can't invest in houses. So like where are you going to put your money that's safe, where it's not in US dollars and just going down in value? And big money is seeing Bitcoin now as the place to go, and that's what's happening right here. They just don't care about fundamentals, and people are taking 5% of their wealth or 1% of their wealth or whatever and putting it in Bitcoin. So let's scroll down here, see if there's any news. Price might be getting silly. It could be. What I see, there's sort of these psychological resistance levels, like we're at 41,000. I think people see 50,000 as the psychological resistance level. And then if we go through that, it's like 100,000 is the next psychological resistance level. Because ever since we broke through 20,000, there's just been no fundamentals, you know, it's just straight up. So you guys can see I have 0.08347 Bitcoin owned. Now Bitcoin is very expensive. So when I purchase $1 a day, it's not getting me that much Bitcoin, but it's still increasing my balance, still increasing my holdings. So definitely going to continue with this experiment. I've also been testing out the Cash App card where you can get Bitcoin back rewards. It's not currently on here. You can see yesterday I spent like $40 or something and I got $1.70 Bitcoin back. So I'm just going to leave these rewards ones in the experiment. I would just be purchasing like a normal human. So I'm not doing anything crazy with the rewards. I don't buy anything fancy. It's just me buying lunch or whatever, just like any person would. So I think that's something normal to factor in. I think it'll help combat some of those 3% fees. So I think it's fair to just keep the Bitcoin rewards cards purchases in this experiment. You know, so far it's like less than $2 of Bitcoin that I've earned in rewards. But let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap the three dots, type $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. You can see that 3-cent fee there, tap confirm. And just like that, we've added a little bit of Bitcoin to our balance. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. You can see 0.08349 now. Also noticed, I had a 3% fee, but if you type in like $100, you're gonna get like a 2.2% fee. So actually if you buy more Bitcoin in this app, you're gonna get a lower fee. So I think that might be something new that they've changed. I'm not quite sure. I'm just gonna continue on the $1 a day path for this experiment. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,379 divided by 704 days equals a 4.79x on our investment. So almost a 5x. That's so crazy. What this means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.79. So there you have it. see Bitcoin going down about $1,000 over the last minute, but it's all good. It's going to be very volatile. Just going to continue this experiment. I expect big things out of Bitcoin in the future. It's definitely not going away. Also, congrats to everybody that's been involved in this experiment, that's doing it alongside of me. Whether you started in the beginning or lately or the last 100 days or whatever. Pretty crazy ride we've been on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might win.